Utilizing advanced robotic pick-and-place systems and microscopic component placement, we achieve unprecedented levels of precision and reliability.
Virgils.
The SPC chart spike indicates a deviation in the manufacturing parameters.
We need to adjust the etcher settings to maximize yield efficiency.
Implementing these design specifications requires careful review of the manufacturing parameters and sensitive parts.
The yield data from the QA cycle confirms the design parameters.
With input,
We can optimize throughput by adjusting the robotic.
average inquiries for several eggs. Based on the thermal simulation data, these design specifications ensure we meet the performance targets.
The yield optimization metric
Look at the eye diagram post-equalization. We've successfully mitigated the crosstalk.
That meets the performance targets for the new manufacturing run.
We must document the critical design specifications here.
I'm entering the manufacturing parameters now to ensure compliance.
We need to review the contamination control protocols for the new components.
Based on the performance targets, the current
Thermal readings are stable and within specifications. Are the tolerances confirmed?
Yes, parameters are validated. Calibrate.
We need to optimize the reflow parameters for this new paste.
Agreed. The qualification data shows that we can tighten the tolerances.
Ensure the feeder tolerances match the spec sheet exactly.
Confirmed. We are ready for the initial run sequence.
The training program demonstrates meticulous preparation, ensuring all specifications and tolerances are met before production commencement.
The traceability system initialization is complete. Implementing statistical process controls ensures manufacturing readiness and operational excellence.
Environmental humidity temperature control demonstrating meticulous preparation procedures, systematically implementing electrostatic discharge protection with comprehensive attention to specifications.
The automated systems are maintaining exceptional precision.
Quality consistency is high across all units tested.
The thermal profile on Zone 3 is stabilizing.
Good. Maintain the specs for the next batch.
This primary manufacturing sequence utilizes sophisticated automation for conformal coding, implementing signal integrity validation.
This sector is showing intermittent failures. We need to adjust the parameters.
Adjusting the voltage threshold now.
This schematic highlights the anomaly in the thermal cycling profile.
Let's cross-reference that with the latest X-ray metrics.
The thermal profile looks stable within the stringent specifications.
Yes, the reflow sequence is maintaining exceptional quality consistency.
The coating thickness is holding steady at 25 microns.
Noted. Temperature remains stable at 22.5 Celsius.
Maintaining exceptional precision on the current batch. Quality metrics look good, ready for the next phase.
Automated systems execute precision solder paste printing.
The real-time data confirms optimal efficiency on line 3.
Predictive analytics show a 99% quality outcome.
The real-time monitoring confirms the yield management analytics are optimizing efficiency.
SPCC systems show
Advanced Systems Integration Phase meticulously implementing cleanroom pressure differential monitoring and presenting sophisticated yield optimization methodologies with comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities.
Implementing automated guided vehicle systems with real-time monitoring capabilities and predictive analytics, guaranteeing optimal production efficiency and exceptional quality outcomes.
Our systems ensure exceptional product reliability and consistent quality throughout manufacturing operations, guaranteeing optimal production efficiency.
We've stabilized the electromagnetic levels across all integrated systems.
Confirmed.
Data incoming on the reliability qualification.
The fluctuation is normalizing. We're hitting peak efficiency targets.
Fork recorners. Utilizing advanced semiconductor fabrication with instrumentation, we meticulously endurance testing results are confirmed.
Data logging is complete.
Good. Authorized product release.
Utilizing the SPC systems, we've validated the methodologies. The interference levels are well within limits.
Excellent. Document the results for final certification.
Peak emissions registered at 2405 MHz are holding steady below the limit.
Confirmed. Documenting the results for final reliability check.
The susceptibility levels are holding steady within the IEC standard. Good.
Document that and initiate the next sequence.
The yield optimization graphs confirm the acceleration factor.
Based on these results, we meet the statistical process control thresholds. Comprehensive testing procedures conducting rigorous signal integrity oscilloscope analysis utilizing signal integrity validation testing with certified instrumentation.
The electromagnetic compatibility scan passed the baseline standards.
Excellent. I am authorizing the product release documentation now.
The results meet all global regulatory requirements.
Meticulously documented. We are cleared for product release.
The data confirms our predictive models are working. We've maximized manufacturing excellence and achieved continuous quality improvement. By integrating the new ESD protocols, we project a 20% increase in operational efficiency.
That aligns.
The yield enhancement tracking shows significant improvement in product reliability.
And this accounts for the new quality assurance. By monitoring capacity utilization, we've identified key areas for yield optimization.
This directly impacts our manufacturing excellence goals.
Check the integrated management reports for Q3 efficiency metrics. The data confirms maximize.
The supplier performance evaluation metrics are showing significant improvement.
And the traceability platform confirms the quality.
The advanced analytics confirm that integrating the contamination control maximized our yield efficiency.
The warranty return rate analysis shows a significant decrease this quarter.
Thermal management solutions are
We have critical failure alerts across the APAC region. Initiate signal integrity validation testing immediately.
Systems responding. These advanced analytics confirm our cross-functional teams are driving innovation.
Look at the continuous quality improvement.
Look at the real-time data trends. The optimization protocols are improving operational efficiency significantly.
The next generation optimization protocols are exceeding projections. This confirms our competitive advantage in the sector.
Initiating the assembly protocol.
Real-time analysis confirms the strategic integration
is evident in the precision metrics. This new antenna design significantly improves 5G spectral efficiency. And the manufacturing yield projections are exceeding expectations.
Our sustainable practices are showing a 98% carbon neutrality rate this quarter.
That significantly reduces.
Developing next-generation quantum dot display technology, we combine fundamental research with practical manufacturing. Our strategic approach to 3D electronics printing gives us a significant competitive advantage in the global market.
The data stream confirms the material specs.
We can optimize the assembly path using this feedback.
Look at the energy consumption metrics stabilize. This simulation proves the new architecture is viable for mass production. Based on this market data, our Q3 strategy is sound. Risk exposure is minimal.
I agree. Deploy the solution worldwide. This global overview confirms our talent development initiatives are effectively utilizing the platform, driving innovation. Strategic business operations, systematically managing manufacturing cost reduction initiatives, effectively utilizing enterprise intelligence platforms.
Welcome to the Integrated Production Ecosystem, a global supply chain infrastructure network serving billions of consumers worldwide.